This video, we will review Spirit Airlines big front seats.
Boarding pass?
Yeah, from the
If you
phone.
have your boarding pass, you can just go up the stairs.
Thank you. It's actually just my second time to try this Spirit Airlines, and the first one I had only $4 flight and I had a carry-on, so everything was really cheap. If you want to see that review, I'll put the link in my description. And this time I'm gonna take the big front seat of Spirit Airlines. I'm so excited about it. I didn't do the express or the security express because the last time it was easy for me to get in. It was really fast, and today was really fast too. I also didn't do an extra carry-on because I know I can fit everything in one bag now. Also for priority boarding, the last time I paid for it, but this time I didn't pay for it because I'm already in zone 2 because I have the big front seat. Thank you very much. Thank you. Am I allowed to come in? Thank you. I had to go to Terminal 4 for this one.
Yeah, they have good pizza there.
Is Spirit's big front seats worth it for this flight? Since it's a short flight, I was fine with the trip that I did with the random seats before. With longer flights, I think it's best to have the seats in front. Also, depending on the price, if it's not much costly for a short flight, I would rather spend $55 on a meal. The leather seats are defo coffee, and I give my 2 thumbs up for this. It's like having a mini suite for a value of deluxe. I hope you were able to grasp what big front seats for Spirit Airlines is like in this video. Let me know what you think of this video, and I also appreciate suggestions, questions, and your experience in the comments. See you next time, and off I go.